We're in, come on. Ha! Hideous countertops, I know how to pick them. Attack dog! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, no! Oh, no! Ah! Oh, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Ow! I'm sorry! One of the most common questions I get asked all the time is, how much are new countertops? Well, that's kind of like asking, how much is a new car? Do you want a Ford Raptor or do you want a Prius? Ad placement, send us new cars. It all starts with size and backsplash and material and edges, and while you're at it, probably new floors and cabinet doors, maybe some interior doors, maybe some exterior doors, maybe some trim, and sorry, I digress. Just so many diversified products and unmatched service. So today I broke into this person's house so I could show you the most important number for your countertops, your square footage. Hideous. They will be fixed. Grab your handy dandy measuring tape. Yay, magic! Yay! Next, grab your math skills and take a look at your countertops. You're gonna divide your countertops into rectangular sections. So here we have an L-shaped. First, you're gonna measure the first section, which is gonna end right here, and your second section, which starts there, and goes all the way to this wall. You wanna measure both the length, that way, and the width. Got it. You guys can totally trust me. To get your total area, you'll need to multiply your length and your width in both sections. Add these two section totals together, and yay, you're done!
No, you're not.
Oh, that's square inches. We need square feet, huh? Oh. You need to convert your square inches into square, let's cross that, feet. To do that, we need to figure out how many square inches are in a square foot. Here you can see 1 square foot is 12 by 12. You multiply 12 by 12, you get 144 square inches in a square foot. So we're going to take our total number of the two sections in square inches and divide it by 144. Now there's also a secret magical way to do a sans math. Grab those length and width measurements that you made, Google square foot calculator, input said measurements, and voila, it's magic. But don't you feel smarter now that you know how to do it the other way, the way our ancestors did it? So now when you go countertop shopping, you'll have a little better idea of just how much your countertops might cost. And you won't have to ask me for an estimate, because if you know me, you know I am terrible at math. I will quote you the price of a Prius for the price of a Ford Raptor. We will still take those cars. We hope you enjoyed this video. Leave any questions below in the comments. We'll see you next. See you next week. I'm grabbing the Northwest Building Supply line. Attack outside! Oh crap, it's locked! What am I gonna do?